Hi, I'm Tom Sercombe, Jim's little brother, co-owner of Sercombe Trucking Company. And I started in the trucking business and got interested because my brother, big brother Jim, and my father used to take me in the trucks when I was a kid. And because I was small and they were grown-ups driving the trucks, they told me I was built closer to the ground. So when we lifted up them 10-pound bags of potatoes, I was built closer to the ground. So they made me bend over and pick them up and hand them to them. That's how I started in the trucking business with my father and my brother. And then I started doing a little trucking myself with a couple of different companies. I worked for a bread company at one time. I worked for a gentleman named Jim Schweikert, which was my boss, and I married the boss's daughter, got divorced from her. He passed away. And then 1979, Jimmy and I decided to try a little brokerage and trucking business, and so we did a little brokerage at first. And then in 1982, we started buying trucks, and 25 trucks now, and I mainly do the dispatch. I'm not on the road as much as I'd like to, and I love old trucks, and we just keep plugging away and trying to make things the best we can.